Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making crispy and flaky aloo patties. Perfect for tea time or evening snack. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Street vendors sell patties as an affordable snack for student and worker. Now add 1/3 cup water and knead into a dough. Patties are enjoyed worldwide, but every culture has its own version. Indian patties are known for their spice potato filling. Wrap some oil and keep aside for 15 minutes. For potato stuffing, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 2 tablespoon onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon coriander seed, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, and 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Mix well. Use leftover potato curry as stuffing for variety. And keep aside. Now prepare a corn flour slurry. Add 2 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Mix well. Don't skip corn flour slurry, it creates flaky layers. Now divide the dough into 5 pieces. Roll out each dough. Spread corn flour slurry. Sprinkle flour. And repeat the process. Now roll lightly. Fold as shown. Layers in patties make them light, flaky, and unique. And roll the dough again. Now cut the edges. And slice into 6 pieces. Place the potato stuffing. Fold into a triangle shape and seal well. Always seal the patties well to prevent stuffing from coming out. Fry in medium-low heated oil for 8 to 10 minutes until the layers open and turn golden crispy. Keep oil at medium-low heat for even crispiness. Potatoes provide energy and fiber. Onion and spices boost digestion. Shallow frying is a healthier option than deep frying. Pair with chutney instead of heavy dips for balance. Delicious aloo patties are ready. Flaky outside, soft inside. These aloo patties are a family favorite. Try them at home and share your feedback. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more tasty recipes.